Hey guys, everything like me now 2 here, and this is Fire Alarm System Test 4. You all been waiting for this, so let's go ahead. Okay, so there's some changes made on the system, and there's also a lot of changes on the panel. A lot of changes on the panel, while very little changes on the system. So let's get right to it. Okay, here's the panel. Oh wait, it's got labels in there. Look, cool. So here's the panel right now. My programmable Arduino panel. Oh wait, look at this. Get the zones. That's right. See, I got labels now for the zones and the outsider output and zone 5. But these ones here are still, they were here. So that was not put in. These, however, were put in zone 5 and the outsider and Z6 and Z7. But yeah, I mean, and also I also put some of these two down here too for the Mac encoder, so now we know which one's which button. Still the same as so yeah. I also added some zones too, so they're not hooked up yet. So now instead of a 4-zone panel, now it's a 5-zone panel. So which is pretty cool. So let's get on to it with the system. The devices I have a fake Firelight BG12. This is a fake one, not the real one, like the one over there by the door. Yeah, so it's a fake Firelight BG12, just brand names on it and all that stuff. It's unusual pull station though, but you get the idea. Let's open up here so you can see what the inside looks like. So yeah, there it is. FEBG12L, because I just branded it myself. So yeah, there's the fake Firelight, the fake Firelight BG12L. And also put some new signs as well. Make it much more bigger and more, so you can see, like that. You can see it. It's totally there. It shows you where it is when there's actual fire. So we still have the D273, the Bosch 4-wire. I haven't got any more 4-wire detectors yet because somehow my gift card does not work online, which is interesting because it's registered and all that. But anyway, yeah. So that's the Bosch D273. On the other side, or the front door, we got the Firelight BG12 and that's Cedar, and the Wheelock STR. And for the smoke alarm, the smoke detector I had today, which is barely bought from Walmart for $4, which I have a relay circuit inside. It's this little crappy P9040, whatever, just converted to a I9040. The I9040 smoke alarm, which I converted to a system detector using our circuit relay made by Electronics and More on YouTube. He's a pretty cool guy. He does a lot of electronics. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel. It's pretty cool. So I'll be linking that in below in the description, as well to that circuit. And here we got the Spectral Alert P System Sensor Spectral Alert P1224M. Crap. The System Sensor P1220 the P241575. It's only remote strobe only because it's only using the strobe only because I don't have any more remote strobes. The only remote strobes I have is Wheelock and the Wheelock STR and the RS, which I don't have any left. So I really need more fire alarms. So I did a little sneak peek video of Fire Alarm System Test 4. So some of you guys, so if some of you guys guessed MT, well, think again. Fail! It is a Wheelock AS, set to 75 candela, and it's coded by the panel, code 3. I also put, see that power, see that green light down there? That's a 24 volt 4 amp power supply that I got from my panel now for my smoke detectors and the horn strobes, which is pretty cool. So now my panel have proper voltage to the NACs and the smoke detectors for 24 volt ones, especially the simplex ones too. So let's go ahead, and I think I set the code 3 like I said. It is, judging by the NAC encoder. So here we go. Yeah, so you see, I sure you can see that. Oh, there it goes. Silence that. So I configured. I had put the zone to zone 1, and now the smoke detector, FACP detector is on zone 2. So now these are separate zones now. They're not together anymore. Let's reset the pulse station. It's just like a regular BG12 valve, except it's fake. Yeah, it looks like it, but it's not. And reset. There we go. We'll reset. See, your also reset time is also longer too. I also increased the reset time to 5 seconds to properly reset the smoke detectors. So now I'm going to test the zone 2, which is the Bosch 273. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Little pause there. Silence that. Well, actually, we'll silence by the oscillator. And silence it by the oscillator. And also, let's not forget, let's re-alarm. We'll silence that. We'll reset to that too. I'd like to get an ADT version of this, of the BT12, but whatever. Anyway, so now we do zone 2, zone 1, and then zone 3. So now we're reset. This has been reset. Now we'll go ahead and activate the smoke alarm. The crappy Kidda I-9040 with the relay circuit inside. And not technically inside, it's actually inside the box. But yeah, here it is right here. It's a regular house smoke alarm, whatever it is. It's flash, so here we go. Okay, there it goes. That's tested. See the such and such spectral alert. Silence that. There's the horn strobe. And the camera can track the strobe. It is strobing, but it's not capturing for some reason. Front smoke detector, and we're reset. So yeah. So you notice, like I said, I actually the reset time on the reset time on the panel is now at 5 seconds. When I basically properly reset the smoke detectors, instead of 3 seconds. So yeah, pretty much it. So yeah, there it is, guys. Fire lesson test 4. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, that relay circuit for a smoke alarm, activated relay, electronics and more. He has that video, and I'll put it in the link description below. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching.